dancing in Boys Life magazine. An ad was shimmering, promising a world of wonder. Circuits humming, wires glimmering. I was just a kid with pockets light, but a dream too bright to hide. And Mama, though she pinched each dime, said, let that curious fire inside. So I clipped that little coupon, wrote my name with shaking hands, dropped $2 and all my hopes in the mailbox down the sand. Oh, those kids that lit the sky sent a spark through a child's mind, from a kitchen table kingdom to a life I'd come to find. Every wire, every wonder, every wire that pulled me through. Oh, flame still burning bright to James Kerr, and something true. Month by month the packages came like Christmas wrapped in brown. Magnetism, light and lenses where the pattern's spinning round. I learned the hum of electricity, the heartbeat in a coil, and the joy of solving mysteries with nothing but grit and toil. College came and years rolled on, engineering turned to flight. But it started with those simple kids that taught me how to see the light. Oh, those kids that lit the sky, built a bridge from boy to man, turned a question into passion, turned a spark into a plan. Through a lifetime of creation, all the work that I pulled through, I owe more than a line on paper to James Kerr, and something true. When I look back now, retired after decades at the wheel, with a family fed and futures built and a million dreams made real. It wasn't lectures, books, or labs that set me on this course. It was cardboard boxes on the doorstep, with a quiet, steady force. Now Jimmy's gone, but still I hear the whisper in the wire, a gentle mentor's legacy that stoked a nation's fire. For every kid who turned a screw, for every soldered line, his spark still dances in the dark across the test of time. Oh, those kids that lit the sky, lifted up a generation, gave us tools, but more than that, gave wonder its foundation. And all I've earned, and all I've loved, and everything I grew, I trace the line from me to him to James Kerr, and something true. So here's to sparks and soldering irons, to hands that dared to build, to a quiet man who mailed out dreams, and the worlds those dreams fulfilled.